Good morning all of you. Today we will be discussing some problems on area. Before that, let us recall how to find out the area of a rectangle. How do we find the area of a rectangle? If the length and breadth are given, yes, we need to multiply its length by its breadth to find out the area of a rectangle. So, the area of a rectangle can be found out by multiplying its length by its breadth. So, this is the formula to find out the area of a rectangle. Now, let us do one problem. There is a rectangular flower garden 3 cm by 1 cm inside a rectangular park 9 cm by 6 cm. The area of the park other than the flower garden is full grass. Find the area of the grassy portion. So, here it says that there is a garden which is in the shape of a rectangle. So, let us draw the garden. The garden is in the shape of a rectangle. So, this is the garden. And it is also given that the length of the garden is 3 cm and the breadth of the garden is 1 cm. So we marked its measurement. Now let us read the question once more. There is a rectangular flower garden. We already drawn the flower garden here. 3 cm by 1 cm. Inside a rectangular park 9 cm by 6 cm. So what is its meaning? This garden lies inside a rectangular park. So this garden is actually inside another park, a park which is also in the shape of a rectangle. So this is the park. So this is the park, and inside this park we have a garden. And the length of the park, it is given that 9 cm, so we can mark it. And the breadth of the garden, breadth of the park is 6 cm. So we can mark that also. So we marked all the measurements. So now, what do we need to find out here? The next sentence is, the area of the park other than the flower garden is full grass. That is, area of this park other than this garden. That means the rest of the portions in the park other than this garden. That is, this portion outside this garden are full of grass. And what do we need to find out? Find the area of the grassy portion. That is, here we need to find out the area of this grassy portion. That is, we need to find out the area of this park excluding the area of this garden. How can we find out the area of this portion, this particular portion? How do we find out it? Here we have two rectangles. There is a large rectangle with measurements 9 cm by 6 cm, and there is a small rectangle inside this large rectangle with measurements 3 cm and 1 cm. So can we find out the area of both of these rectangles? Yes. First let us find out the area of this large rectangle. And how do we find the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle can be found out by multiplying its length by its breadth. So here the length of the large rectangle is 9 cm and the breadth is 6 cm. So we can write it here, 9 cm into 6 cm. And what is 9 into 6? Yes, 9 into 6 is 54 cm square. Area of the unit is centimeter square because here the length and breadth are given in the unit centimeter. So the unit of area is centimeter square. So we have find out the area of this large rectangle. And here the large rectangle is actually the park. So the area of the park, we already find it out, that is 54 centimeter square. Now let us find out the area of this garden. Garden is in the shape of a rectangle. So we can find out the area of this garden. So area of the garden is equal to length into breadth. The length and breadth are given as 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So we can substitute here 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is equal to 3 centimeter square. So we have find out the area of the park as well as the area of the garden. See, here we need to find out the area of this portion, this particular portion, excluding the area of this garden. So which mathematical operation should we use here? We need to remove this area from this whole area. So we should use subtraction. So to find out the area of this region, we need to subtract the area of this garden from the area of this park. We already find out the area of the park and the area of the garden. So the area of the grassy portion is equal to area of the park minus area of the garden. And area of the park is equal to 54 centimeter square and area of the garden is equal to 3 centimeter square. So 54 centimeter square minus 3 centimeter square, that is 51 centimeter square. So we got the area of the grassy portion. I will give some similar problems like this. What you have to do is do it by yourself. Then you will get thorough with this type of problems. And that's all for today's class. Thank you.